Before you duplicate it, make sure that it fits you properly by safety pinning the sides and trying it on. Then sew the side seams on the duplication and the original. To line up the inside and outside layers, I tried them on and I did them right sides together, then I sewed along the armholes and the neckline. Then I turned it right side out, but I did have to cut these two spots. And then sew it back together. But still better than finishing all these edges, I figured. So here's the final shirt.